Good morning and welcome to another episode of Suburban Smoking with Steve. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing leg of lamb. I want to always keep things traditionally Texan, so I am going to do the outside with just salt and pepper, but on the inside I also like the traditional taste of lamb. So we're going to do salt and pepper, parsley, olive oil, rosemary, and we don't have any pancetta, so we're going to put bacon on the inside. This is not very professional looking. It's not the greatest tie job I've ever seen, but it looks like it should, I think. For $2.25, there's no recipe, and I couldn't really find a rule of thumb for lamb on a smoker that was consistent, so we're gonna assume 2 hours. Alright, so it's been in for about an hour and a half. The internal temperature right now is 119. I like lamb kind of medium rare, which is 130, but bacon in the middle should be cooked to 150. So we're gonna do a little bit over for lamb, but I want to make sure the bacon gets cooked. So we've got an internal temperature of about 145. We want to get it to 150, but we're going to wrap it and it'll keep cooking. So we're going to let it rest for about a half hour. We're going to cover it in aluminum foil, keep the heat in, and see what happens. It smells like bacon and tastes like bacon, but it's lamb. The smell, again, is very interesting. I'm not a big lamb fan because it's kind of gamey, but this smells like bacon. It's very, very excited. So final thoughts, the bacon in the middle I wish was a little bit more done. I thought I had it to 150, but definitely the fat from the bacon helped a lot, and the smoky flavor it's really great. It's beautiful. I'm really, really happy.